when you consume content made by either artists after the fact of making the thing, or the people who have helped them make the stuff, or critics or analysts who analyze what they've done, there is this enormous industry of putting the process and the people and the music on these pedestals, as if they knew, they were sure, there was no doubt that this was going to be the one. It's complete nonsense. They're backwards rationalizing what actually happened. They weren't as certain as they thought they were. When I've spoken to people who have had enormous hits, because they come to me having to follow up the thing that was an enormous hit quite often. And they go, yeah, no, but when I did this, I was just sure. It just came out and I was just like, there was just no doubt in my mind. And I'm like, okay, let's talk about that. Let's actually talk. Let me cast you back and let's go through what actually happened and how you felt. And I can promise you, it's either that they weren't sure or they had no idea that this thing was going to be a hit. They just thought it was just a thing. And they put it on a pedestal, turned it into this thing to be worshipped. And why can't I feel like that anymore? Because you're remembering the feeling after it was a hit, not before. Never, not once have I found somebody who has known. And even if you did know, there are going to be as many times that you did know and it didn't work out. But you forget about them too. Right? So if you always think, oh no, this is my best thing ever. 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 And all of those didn't do anything. And then this is my best thing ever. Oh, you see, I was right. I'm like, if you always think everything's your best thing ever, then yes, at some point you are going to be right. And this is the problem. There's this idea that we should know. And if we don't know, then there's something wrong. We don't know. We don't know, and we will never know.